Um, Hello everyone. So here we shall solve some more KCET previous year questions on the chapter Conic sections. So in the previous part we had solved till question number 55. So here we shall start solving from the question number 56. So if you have any questions regarding any of the steps of the solution or any other kinds of doubts if you are having, then please write us in the comments section. And if you feel that you have more difficulty in any of the chapters, then also write the name of that chapter in the comments. Also the homeworks on every chapter will be uploaded in the Sapience Education application, so please install our Sapience Education application, whose link has been provided in the description. So it is told that the equation of the hyperbola whose asymptotes are 3x plus minus 5y equal to 0 and the vertices are given as plus minus 5 comma 0 is what? So here we can say that it is 3x equal to plus or minus 5y. So if you square them on both sides, then we will get 9x square equal to 25y square. So it means that 9x square minus 25y square equal to 0. So this is the combined equation of the asymptotes of the hyperbola. So therefore the equation of the hyperbola will be of the form. So the equation of the hyperbola is of the form 9x square minus 25y square, that is equal to k. So where the value of k can be obtained by using the coordinates of vertices. Now the vertex is the point where the hyperbola will intersect the axis. Well, the hyperbola will intersect the transverse axis. So therefore the vertex is a point on the hyperbola itself. Therefore vertex is a point on the hyperbola. The vertex is a point on the hyperbola. So it should satisfy the equation of the hyperbola also. So therefore we can say that 9x square minus 25y square, that is equal to k. So if I put y equal to, so for the vertex, it means that if I put y equal to 0, then x equal to plus or minus 5. So therefore we can say that 9 into 5 whole square, that is then minus 25 into 0, that is equal to k. So then k will be equal to 9 into 25, which will be equal to 9 5s are 45, 9 to the 18, so 225. So therefore 9x square minus 25y square, that is equal to 225, is the equation of the hyperbola. So option D is the correct answer. Then here in the question number 57, it is told that area of a triangle found by the tangent and normal to the curve. So it is to the curve x square by x square plus y square v square equal to 1 at p a by root 2 comma b by root 2 with the x-axis. So it is an ellipse. So it is the equation of an ellipse. We have to find the equation. So the tangent would be like this at the point P, a by root 2 comma b by root 2, and there will be a normal also at this point. So we have to find the area of the triangle found by the tangent and the normal with the x-axis. It means we have to find the area of this triangle. therefore we have to find the equation of the tangent at first. So we know that the equation of the tangent to the ellipse, at the point x1 comma y1 is given as x1 by a square plus y1 by b square, that is equal to 1. So here x1, now therefore here x1 is a by root 2 and y1 is b by root 2. So it will be x by a square into a by root 2 plus y by b square into b by root 2, that is equal to 1. So b and b will cancel, a and a will cancel. So that will be x by a plus y by b, that is equal to root 2. So x by a plus y by b equal to root 2 is the equation of the tangent at this point. And then the equation of the normal also we have to find. So therefore we can say this is y by b equal to minus x by a plus root 2. So this equation I can write it as y equals to minus b by a into x plus root 2 by plus b root 2 plus it is b plus b root 2. So this is the equation of the tangent. So it will intersect the x-axis. We have to find at which point it will intersect the x-axis. At the point A, we have to find the coordinates at the point A. So it means we have to put y as 0, then we will get minus b by a into x, that is equal to minus b root 2. If y equal to 0 we have to put, so this 2 will cancel, so x will be equal to a by b into b root 2. So this will be equal to a root 2, x will be equal to a root 2. X will be equal to a root 2. So x will be equal to a root 2. It means that the coordinates of the point A will be equal to a root 2 comma 0. Then we have to find the equation of the normal at the point P. Therefore the slope of the normal will be equal to a by b. Since the normal is perpendicular to the tangent, so the product of their slope should be minus 1. So therefore the equation of the normal at the point P, which is a by root 2 comma b by root 2, is given as, so that will be given as y minus b by root 2 equal to a by b into x minus a by root 2. So this will be by minus b square by root 2, that is equal to ax minus a square by root 2. So it will be by that is equal to ax. So here also we have to find the point at which the normal will intersect the x-axis. So we have to put y as 0 here. So then we will have ax equal to a square minus b square by root 2. So x coordinate will be a square minus b square by a square minus b square by a root 2. So therefore the coordinates of this point P will be a square minus b square by root 2 by a root 2 comma 0. So therefore we have to find the area of the triangle. Now this height is b by root 2. Therefore the area of the triangle PAB, that will be equal to half into base length is AB, into height. To the height of this triangle is b by root 2, which is the y coordinate of the point. So it will be half into AB into h. So that will be half into AB is a root 2 minus mod of a root 2 minus a square minus b square by a root 2 minus into b by root 2. So this will be b by 2 root 2 into this will be 1 by a root 2 into this will be 2a square minus a square plus b square. So this will be a square plus b square by 4. So this is 4 to b by a. So therefore the final answer is b by 4a. So this is b by 4a into a square plus b square. b by 4a into a square plus b square. So option D is the correct answer. Then it is told that the angle between y square equal to 4x and x square plus y square equal to 12 at the point of their intersection is between y square equal to 4x and x square plus y square equal to 12 at their point of intersection is. So there is one circle which is x square plus y square equal to 12, and there is a parabola also which is having equation y square equal to 4x. So the angle between their point of intersection at this point, what is the angle between their point of intersection? Angle between these two at their point of intersection. So it means that we have to find the angle between their tangents at this point. So we have to find the angle between their tangents. So to find out their point of intersection, we have to solve these two equations. So x square plus y square is 4x. So 4x, that is equal to 12. So I can say x square plus 4x minus 12 equal to 0. So this will be x plus 6 into x minus 2. That will be equal to 0. So therefore x equal to minus 6 or 2. X can be minus 6 or 2. So they obviously they will not intersect on the negative side of x-axis. So this negative x, this minus 6 we should not take. Therefore x should be equal to 2 only. So at the point 2, so y square will be equal to 4 into 2, which is 8. So y will be equal to 2 root plus minus 2 root 2. So it means that this point will be 2 comma 2 root 2, and this point will be 2 comma minus 2, 2 comma minus 2 root 2. The angle between their point, angle between these two. Okay, so we know that the equation of the tangent, to the curve y square equal to 4x at the point 2 comma 2 root 2 is given as, it is y1 y into 2 root 2, that is equal to 4 into x plus x1 by 2. So x plus 2 by 2. So this will be 2. So it will be 2 root 2 y, that is equal to 2x plus 4. So this is the equation of the tangent. So now this can be also written as y equal to 2 by 2 root 2. So that is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2x plus 4. So that is root 2 plus root 2. One by root 2x plus root 2. This is y. Okay. So therefore the slope of the tangent is 1 by root 2. So I can take it as m1 suppose. And the equation of the tangent to the circle, so here equation of a tangent to the circle x square plus y square equal to 12, that will be equal to x1, equation of tangent to the circle this at the point mm, 2 comma root 2, that will be given as is x 2 comma 2 root 2. So that will be x1 plus y1, that is equal to 12. So therefore I can say this is 2x plus 2y root 2, that is equal to 12. So therefore I can say x plus y root 2, that is equal to 6. So therefore y root 2, that is equal to minus x plus 6, or y equal to minus 1 by root 2 into x plus 3 root 2. So therefore the slope of the tangent to the circle here, it will be tangent to the circle is m2, that is equal to minus 1 by root 2. Then we have to find at which angle the parabola in the circle will intersect. The angle at the point of intersection of the angle at the point of intersection of the circle and the parabola. So therefore the angle tan theta, that would be equal to mod of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So this will be equal to mod of m1 minus m2. m1 is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 minus of minus, that is plus 1 by root 2 by 1 plus 1 by root 2 into minus 1 by root 2. So this will be 2 by root 2 divided by mod of 1 minus half. So this will be 2 by root 2, that is root 2 by is half. So that is 2 root 2. So tan theta is 2 root 2, therefore the angle theta is tan inverse 2 root 2. Tan inverse 2 root 2. So option C is the correct answer. Then it is told that if x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to 4 is a tangent to the ellipse x square by 25 plus y square by 9 equal to 1, then the value of alpha is how much? So we know that the equation of the tangent to the ellipse, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 at the point x1 comma y1 is given as xx1 by 9 xx1 by a square plus yy1 by b square, that is equal to 1. Then so now here the equation of the tangent can be written as x into cos alpha by 4 plus y into sin alpha by 4, that is equal to 1. So now these two equations are for the same tangent. These two equations should be of the same tangent, so the ratio of the coefficients should be equal. It means the coefficients of x and y should be proportional. Since these two are same equations, since they are the same tangent, so their coefficients should be proportional. So their coefficients should be proportional. Therefore cos alpha by 4, that is equal to so here a square is 25, and b square is 9. So therefore the equation of the tangent, that will be xx1 by 25 plus yy1 by 9, that is equal to 1. So therefore we can say that cos alpha by 4 divided by x1 by 25, that is equal to sin alpha by 4 divided by y1 by 9, that is equal to some, that is suppose equal to some constant k. cos alpha by 4 divided by 1 by 25 and sin alpha by 4 divided by y1 by 9, that is equal to some constant k. So therefore we can say that cos alpha, that is equal to x1 k by 25 into 4, and similarly sin alpha will be equal to k into y1 by 9 into 4. So this will be, so cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, that is equal to 1. So therefore we can say that 4k into x1 by 25, this whole square of this, plus 4k into y1 by 9 whole square of this, that is equal to 1. So now it means that 4k I can take as common, so 16k square into x1 square by 25 square plus y1 square by 9 square, that is equal to 1. The value of alpha has been asked. Okay, so yeah, actually we have to solve in a different way. Suppose so y sin alpha, that is equal to minus x cos alpha plus 4. Therefore we can say the equation of the tangent is minus x cot alpha plus 4 cosec alpha. And so if align, the rule is that if align y equal to mx plus c, mx plus c is a tangent, to the ellipse, y square by b square and x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, then we can say that then c is equal to given as plus or minus square root of a square m square plus b square. So now therefore here m is minus cot alpha and c is 4 cosec alpha. So therefore we can say that 4 cosec alpha, that will be equal to plus or minus square root of a square m square, that is minus cot alpha whole square plus b square So here the equation of the ellipse is x square by 25 by plus y square by 9, that is equal to 1. So a square is 25 and b square is 9. So therefore 4 cosec alpha, that will be equal to plus or minus square root of 25 into cot square alpha plus 9 . So then we can say that it will be, so if we square both sides, then it will be 16 cosec square alpha, that will be equal to 25 cot square alpha plus 9. So therefore this one we can write it as, so cosec square alpha is 1 plus cot square alpha, it is 16 plus 16 cot square alpha is equal to 25 cot square alpha plus 9. And we can say that 9 cot square alpha, that will be equal to 16 minus 9, that is equal to 7. So cot square alpha, that will be equal to 7 by 9. Then cot alpha will be equal to plus or minus root 7 by 3. So therefore tan alpha will be, so cot alpha is root 7 by 3. So tan alpha will be 3 by root 7. So alpha will be tan inverse 3 by root 7. So option D is the correct answer. Okay, so here it has been told, if the point P on the ellipse, which is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, with the foci s and s dash, so the foci s and s dash are given as plus or minus ae comma 0, where e is equal to square root of 1 minus b square by a square. Then the maximum value of the area of the triangle SPS dash will be maximum value. So the maximum value will come when the height is maximum. It means that when the point P is, it is the point on the major axis. If the point P is on the minor axis, then only the area of the triangle SPS dash will be maximum. So therefore the maximum area of the triangle SPS dash will be equal to half into base is SS dash into height is OP. So this is AE comma 0, this is minus AE comma 0. So therefore half of 2AE into OP. OP is, length is B here. So 2 and 2 will cancel, and AB into E. E is how much? E is square root of 1 minus B square by A square. So it will be B into square root of A square minus B square. B into square root of A square and B square, or simply I can say it as ABE. ABE you can say. So option C is the correct answer. Then it is told the least and the greatest distances. We have to find the least and the greatest distances of the point 10, 7 from the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y minus 20 equal to 0. So let's suppose this is the circle. So the least and the greatest distances we have to find. So if this is the circle, then from this point the center we can take, this is one. So this is the PC is the distance from the center of the circle. So this is the straight line. So if we can find the equation of this straight line, we can find the 2 points where this line will intersect the circle. So PA length will be the least distance from the circle, and PB will be the greatest distance from the circle. PB will be the greatest distance from the circle. The least and the greatest distances of the point from the circle. So this circle is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y minus 20 equal to 0. So therefore here the center, we have to find center will be minus g comma minus f. So from here we can say g is minus 2 and f is minus 1. So therefore the center is at 2 comma 1. So therefore we can find the equation of this straight line. So that will be y minus 1 is equal to m, that is 7 minus 1 by, this is equal to 2 comma 1. So this will be 7 minus 1 by 10 minus 2. 7 minus 1 by 10 minus 2 into x minus 2. So this will be y minus 1 equal to 6 by 8 into x minus 2. So this will be 3 by 4. 4y minus 4, that will be equal to 3x minus 6. So this will be 4y will be equal to 3x minus 2. So we can find the 2 points where this line will intersect. Okay, so therefore the greatest distance is this PC. So PA length will be obviously PC minus the radius, and PB length will be PC plus the radius. So here the radius we can find, that will be square root of g square plus f square minus c. So this will be square root of g square, which is 2 square plus 1 square minus of minus 20. This will be square root of 4 plus 1 plus 20. This is 25. This is 5. R is 5. So PC is 5. No. PC length we have to find. Therefore, the length PC is square root of is 10 minus 2 and 7 minus 1. 10 minus 2 whole square plus 7 minus 1 whole square. So this will be square root of 8 square plus 6 square. So that is 10. So therefore the least distance from the circle, the circle is EC minus R, that is 10 minus 5, that is 5. And the greatest distance will be, the greatest distance will be PC plus R, equal to 10 plus 5, that is equal to 15. So the least distance is 5 and the greatest distance is 15. So 5 comma 15. So 61 part A is the correct answer. So option A is the correct answer. Then in question number 62, it is told that if the straight line 3x plus 4y equals to k, it touches the circle x square plus y square equal to 16x. So this straight line will touch the circle, this, then the values of k are. So if it touches the circle, then it should be a tangent to the circle. The circle is like this, then this is the straight line 3x plus 4y equal to k, and the center of the circle we have to find, that is x square plus y square minus 16x equal to 0. So here g is equal to minus 8 and f is equal to 0. So here, therefore, center is minus g comma minus f. So it is 8 comma 0. So from the center, the the distance of this straight line from the center of the circle will be equal to the radius of the circle. So since the straight line is a tangent to the circle, since the straight line is a tangent to the circle, straight line is a tangent to the circle. So the distance of the tangent from the center of the circle will be equal to the radius. The distance of the tangent from the center will be equal to the radius of the circle. So therefore the distance will be, so this will be 3x plus 4y minus k equal to 0. Therefore r, the radius r will be square root of g square plus f square minus c. So here c is equal to 0 also. This will be root over minus 8 whole square only. So it will be 8. So the radius is 8. And therefore the radius r will be equal to the distance of this line from the center, that is mod of 3 into 8 plus 4 into 0 minus k by square root of 3 square plus 4 square. It means that r, which is 8 will be equal to 3 8s are 24 minus k by 5. Then we have to find the values of k. So therefore mod of 24 minus k, that is equal to 5 8s are 40. So therefore 24 minus k, that is equal to plus or minus 40. Therefore k will be equal to 24 plus or minus 40. So therefore k will be equal to 24 plus 40, which is 64, and 24 minus 40, which is minus 16. So therefore k will be equal to minus 16 comma 64. So option D is the correct answer. Then here it is told in question number 63 that the locus of the point of intersection of perpendicular tangents to the ellipse is called. Locus of point of intersection of perpendicular tangents of the point of intersection of the perpendicular tangents to the ellipse. So that is called as the director circle. So the locus, the point of intersection of perpendicular tangents the ellipse is called the director circle of the ellipse. It's called the director circle of the ellipse. Now if x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 is the equation of the ellipse, then the equation of its director circle, the equation of its director circle is x square plus y square equal to 2a square. So it means the director circle is a circle whose radius is root 2a units, where a is the length of semi-major axis. It is half of the length of major axis, but the radius of the director circle will be root 2a units. So option A is the correct answer. But then here it is being asked the number of circles that touch the coordinate axis and the line whose slope is -1 and y-intercept is 1 is the number of circles that touch the coordinate axis. The number of circles that touch coordinate axis and the line whose slope is -1. So it will touch the coordinate axis also and also the line whose slope is -1. Okay. And y-intercept is 1. Okay. So the line whose slope is -1 and y-intercept is 1 is given as -x plus 1. So y equal to -x plus 1 means it is x plus y equal to 1. It means that this is the line which will intersect the x-axis at 1, 0 and y-axis at 0, 1. So we have to find a circle which will touch these three lines. These three lines means the x-axis, the y-axis and this line which is y equal to -x plus 1. So we have to find the number of circles, how many such circles will be there. So one circle is like this. I can draw another circle which is like this, another circle which will be like this. So here, so it means that three such circles are there which will touch the coordinate axis, means the x-axis also and the y-axis also, and this line which is having slope -1 and y-intercept 1. So three circles are there. So option A is the correct answer. Then here the equations of the two tangents from so the equations of the two tangents from -5, -4 to the circle, these are given as okay. Yeah. So here we have a circle whose equation is x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y plus 8, that is equal to 0. So here g equal to 2 and f equal to 3. So therefore the center of the circle is -2, -3. So now from this point we have to find the equations of the two tangents to the circles, to this circle. So So now if we tell that the equation of this tangent is y equal to mx plus c, then it will satisfy this point also, and the perpendicular distance of the center from this line will be equal to the radius. Now the radius of this circle here, c is equal to 8, so therefore the radius is square root of g square plus f square minus c. So this is root of 4 plus 9 minus 8. So this is root 5 units. Root 5. Now therefore equation of this tangent will be y plus 4, that is equal to m into x plus 5. So this will be y equal to mx plus 5m minus 4. Or we can say that this is mx minus y plus 5m minus 4, that is equal to 0. So then we can say that therefore the perpendicular distance of this tangent from the center, that is equal to the radius. So therefore we can say that this will be mod of minus 2m plus 3 plus 5m minus 4 divided by square root of m square plus 1, that will be equal to the radius, which is root 5. Then here if we square both sides, then we will get two values of the slope. So therefore we will have is 3m minus 1 whole square, that is equal to 5 into m square plus 1. So therefore we will have 9m square plus 1 minus 6m, that is equal to 5m square plus 5. So this will be 4m square minus 6m minus 4, that is equal to 0. So therefore I will have that this will be 2m square minus 3m minus 2, that is equal to 0. So if we factorize it, then we will have 2m square minus 4m plus m minus 2, that is equal to 0. Or we can say 2m into m minus 2 plus 1 into m minus 2, that is equal to 0. So 2m plus 1 into m minus 2, that is equal to 0. So m equal to 2 and m equal to minus half. So therefore the equation for m is equal to 2 and m is equal to minus half. And so the slope of the two tangents, one should be m equal to 2 and here its slope should be m equal to minus half. Now therefore both the tangents will pass through this point minus 5 comma minus 4. Therefore their equations will be, therefore it will be y minus, which we have found, which is mx minus y. We have found that is mx minus y plus 5m minus 4, that is equal to 0. So therefore it will be either the first tangent will be 2x minus y plus 2 5 is 10, that is 6, that is equal to 0. 2x minus y plus 6 equal to 0, and another one will be minus x by 2 minus y minus 5 by 2 minus 4, that is equal to 0. So therefore we can say that y plus x by 2 plus 5 by 2 plus 4, that is equal to 0. Or we can say that, so if I take the LCM 2, then it will be 2y plus x plus 5 plus 8, that is equal to 0. So it means we will have 2y plus x plus 13, that is equal to 0. So it means option B is the correct answer. So here we shall end the part 5 of the conic sections, and the remaining questions we shall solve in the next part of this video of on conic section. So hope you have understood the solutions of these questions which we had solved in this part 5 on conic sections. And if you have any questions regarding any of the steps of the solution or any other kind of doubts if you have, then please write us in the comments section. So and please install our Sapience Education application, where we shall upload some important homework questions on every chapter. So thank you everyone. Bye.